The first question you're going to ask about any home improvement project is how much am I going to spend for a new window? Well, like most products, there's many choices of quality products, and Energy Pro is an independent window dealer. What does that mean to you? That means when we come out to talk to you about your window project, we're not just going to be pushing Renewal by Andersen or Pella or Marvin. We're going to give you a whole variety of windows to choose from to match your budget and your needs. So as an example, if you have a rental property and need a high energy efficient window at a low price, our Joyce Manufacturing Company makes a window that we can install in a standard window for as little as $575 for a window. That's everything: tax, the removal, cleaning up the property, properly insulating, and you get a very high energy efficient window. That's a double hung, where the windows will tilt in and out for easy cleaning. It's a full line window. Joyce has been building vinyl windows since 1953. In fact, they're the oldest vinyl window maker in the country, and they're still family owned. We can pick up the phone and call the president of the company right now. Most companies have a good, better, best, and we've all gone and done the products. You can go into any electronics store, a car dealer, and you can get a good, a better, or the best. Generally speaking, you're going to be better off to stay at least in that mid-range. All of our windows also carry a lifetime guarantee, and you're able to transfer that warranty to a new homeowner. So when you have a house full of windows that are guaranteed for life, it really helps the resale value of your home. Now, so when you start, we talked a little bit about you might get in around $600 for a window. You can go all the way up to $2,500 a window. If you're going to have a full frame replacement with a high-end architectural window, maybe from a composite material. But most people in the Kansas City area are going to spend $700 to $1,000 for a really superior window that has the highest energy efficient ratings available anywhere. And our Sunrise and Joyce products, we buy direct from the manufacturer, so we don't have a middleman. So we can put those high energy efficient windows in for that price range. You're also going to get a superior product with air infiltration. They actually take the windows, put them in a wind tunnel, and blow 25-mile-an-hour wind and measure how much they leak. The standard for the Energy Star rating from the federal government is a 0.3. Our windows are 0.09. And our casement windows are as low as 0.04. So you're getting a dramatically superior product from just Energy Star rated. A typical double hung window that's 3 feet by 5 feet is going to run you about $700 to $900, and you're going to get the best quality. And more importantly, it's the installation that makes the difference. You can go to the big box stores, and they'll sell you a Pella, Andersen, or a Marvin window, and they'll spin the wheel, and whatever contractor is up next will install your window. They might have been doing a bathroom yesterday. They might have been adding some shingles or fixing a roof, and today they're putting a window in. Our guys do nothing but windows every day long. Rick and Luke here, they probably have been putting windows in for over 40 years combined. Nothing's going to throw them off, and they do an excellent job. It's going to last forever. Now, when you get into variety windows like this bay window, you're going to spend in the $4,500 to $7,000 range. A lot of it depends on the installation and the application and how much carpentry work we have to do. If you're looking at a casement window, they are more expensive. Casement windows will run you $800 to $1,100 a window. If you're in a certain application though, we can replace a casement window with say a $700 double slider. If you're in a house where you don't need the casements. We've also replaced casements in the front of the house for the visual appeal, and then in some applications in a walkout basement, we might replace those with some sliders. Try to save some money on those. Again, everything's lifetime guaranteed. Be real careful when you're shopping for casements. Not all manufacturers have a casement. Of the 5 most popular manufacturers we install, we really only recommend 2 of them for their casement windows.